Hi, it's Miss Morton here. Today I'm here to show you how to create breakout groups and teams. If you want to use them like for guided reading groups, things like that, this is how you'll do it. So thank you first of all to Dr. Shoemate for showing me these steps last week. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your email and then you're going to click the calendar button in the bottom left-hand corner. Then it'll pull up all of your calendar for this month. You'll go to New Event in the upper left-hand corner. And then you'll be able to type in the title. So I'll call this my Blue Guided Reading Group. And then you don't have to invite any attendees. I'm just going to schedule it for today at 2 o'clock. And then for search for a room or location, you do want to hit the toggle to turn on Teams meeting. And then you'll come to the upper left-hand corner and hit save. And then it'll pop up on your calendar. So then after you've done that, you'll go back and you'll click on the group you just created. Go back to Edit, More Options. And then if you scroll down, you'll see, that there is a Join Microsoft Teams meeting link. You're going to highlight the link, right-click, and copy link. Then you're going to want to open a Word document. I just got one minimized. And Dr. Shoemate said the best way to kind of keep things organized is to create a table. So I'm going to go to Insert, Table. Let's just say I'm going to have 5 groups. I'm going to do one a day. So I'll create a table of 5. And you're going to right-click and paste the link. Hit Enter and it'll make it a hyperlink. Then you can right-click on the hyperlink and hit Edit Hyperlink. And this will allow you to change the name. So instead of this massively long URL, you'll just be able to edit it. So I'm going to come up here. Highlight, delete the whole thing. I'll call this Blue Guided Reading Group. Okay, and so now it's changed it to this group. So you'll go back and you'll do that for however many guided reading groups or just in general groups you want to create. So again, you'll go back to your email, calendar. I'll make another one. So email, calendar, new event, add title, toggle the Teams meeting on. So let's just create a new one. Teams meeting on. I'll just change my time. It doesn't really matter. 3 o'clock. And we'll save. I'm going to come back, click the meeting I just made. Edit, More Options, and then I'm going to scroll down, copy and paste the link I just made, put it in my table, right-click, paste, come and I'll right-click on the link, edit hyperlink, rename this, and save. So then when you are in Teams, in order to create your breakout groups, you'll go into Teams and then you'll just copy and paste this table into your chat box. And so one thing you want to make sure is that you drop this table in at the very end of your meeting, like right before you do your breakout groups. If you put it in the beginning, if you have kids who log in after you've already put it in the chat box, they're not going to see it. So make sure you drop this at the very end, right before your groups, and then all your kids will have to do is click on the link and it'll take them right into the group. So it'll just essentially pause the meeting that you're already in. It'll send them into that group, and then you'll be able to pop in and out of the groups that you've created to kind of facilitate and check in on them. And then you can have them in at a certain time. So like for me, I probably will just drop in like this one link on like Monday, this link on Tuesday. Since I teach first grade, I'll just probably name these specific kids' names, and they'll know that if they see their name, then they click it and they meet with me on Mondays. But however you want to insert this into your chat, however you want to do your small groups, it's up to you. Hopefully this has been helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions.